lands where the devil plants his seeds. A lone rider in black whispers through ghostly reeds, with a 6-gun in his holster and a Bible in his hand. He's searching for redemption in this cold, forsaken land. Crosses on the hilltops where the moon hides his face. Silver wolves are howling, echoing my disgrace. The church bells tolling, calling aching souls to pray, but the night's too filled with demons to keep the darkness at bay.